Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Dell laptop not detecting external monitors. Let's begin. First, right-click on your screen or any empty space. Select Display Settings, and then I want you to locate the Detect button. For Windows 11, just scroll down. For Windows 10, it should just be right over here. So select that. And if it shows didn't detect another display, what you can do is close this. On your keyboard, press the Windows button and then the P button, okay? And you will see in here options, duplicate, extend, and second screen only. So go ahead, select each one of this, duplicate, extend, second screen only. See if your external monitor is being detected, all right? But if not, what you can do is go to your Windows Start button again, right click, Device Manager, then head over to Display Adapters, right? NVIDIA, select on it, right click, choose Disable Device, then go back, right click, Enable Device. Same, select monitors over here, and select your external or second monitor, all right? Usually it's the bottom or the second option over here. Right click, disable device, right click, enable device. Now check if it works, but if not, you can go back in here, right click and uninstall device. So the last option would be to make sure that your NVIDIA application or drivers are actually up to date. You can go and look for NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA app and go to drivers. Make sure over here, if it says install or update, click on it, whether you have the studio driver version or the game ready, all right? Once done, it might take a few minutes, but once completed, you may need to restart your PC or laptop. Go back in here and everything should now be working. Your second monitor should now be detected. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.